Let's start the exercise, and we will start with the exercise of page number 169. Let us start with question number 1. Which of the following is not a magnetic material? So we should know about what magnetic materials are. The materials which are attracted by a magnet, they are known as the magnetic material. So we have to identify which out of these is a magnetic material: iron, nickel, cobalt, glass sheet. So we have to find which is not a magnetic material. So when we see the options, we get to know iron is a magnetic material, nickel is a magnetic material, and cobalt too is a magnetic material because they are attracted by magnets. But glass sheet is not a magnetic material. So he is asking which is not a magnetic material. Here the answer will be glass sheet. Which of the following is most appropriate to make a good temporary magnet? So we discussed that only magnetic materials can be converted into magnet. They can be converted into magnets. So here iron will be the answer because cotton, glass, wood, they are not magnetic material and they can't be converted into, we can't convert them into magnetic material. Because when we talk about magnetism, only a magnetic material which is being attracted by a magnet, it can be converted into a magnet, into a temporary magnet. So the substance must have some magnetic properties. It should be magnetic, so it should be attracted by a magnet, then only we will be able to convert that into a magnet. We can make it a magnet. A non-magnetic substance means the substances which are not attracted by a magnet. A non-magnetic substance, it can't be converted into a magnet. So here the iron is magnetic substance and it can be converted into a good temporary magnet. Next, question number 3. The substances that are attracted by magnets are called. We just discussed this definition. The substances that are attracted by magnets means magnetic substances. So without even saying the options, we can write magnetic materials. Substances that are attracted by the magnets are called magnetic materials. The name leading stone to the magnet was given by which sailors? Portuguese, Chinese, Japanese, and Italian. Chinese sailors. As we have learned from the lesson that the Chinese sailors, they started using this magnet and it was showing them north south direction, it was leading them, so it helped them in finding the directions while navigation. So Chinese navigators, they found it and they gave it the name the leading stone. Which one of the following is a natural magnet? Iron, copper, nickel, they are metals, and magnetite, it is a natural magnet. Though all these things, they can be converted into magnet, temporary magnet, but here the natural magnet, it is magnetite. It is given the name magnetite and it was found in Magnesia by Magnus. We have this story that how this shepherd led to the discovery of magnets. So here the natural magnet that was found, that was the magnetite. So while answering this question, we should have proper information. We should firstly read the question, what they are asking and what are the options, how we have to answer them. So firstly, the main focus for the students, it should be that you should read the question properly first and see what you are to answer.